Home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV, dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Omugusi Mwakono Uhuru Superstores naende yakoretire Black Friday. Black Friday next tariki ya 25 cy'umutinyo wa 11 ninjowe kumbulire ibintu asamaguri yayo akire omoroka bunabono ibintu by'ubwagaci buna amabati emisumari kisimiti kicuma nekirangi egatinto bindebinge oigo ninjowe kumbulire kindagira bunabono amasiya mandasi aliyo kuruga emechere chisukari amabuta y'ikinyini egatema munyuranda mangi ayuri kumbura sediguri ya mubuko bitobeyo byo gutumika asenga bunabono chisabune chitishio chipampas egatibinde bige byo gutumika asenga asediguri ya mubuko ni njubu kumbura ya onsi asitituka cha Uhuru Superstores imeyobo cy'ubusongo litukone yuma yechitariki ya 25 yane Black Friday tebyo musani twenyolere amamunyire ye Christmas gengyo ime ya Uhuru Superstores.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Abakoro bagateba kina obirore obugembinde omukagerwa oyomo gose amateyemo ekamukagera ogosira kuyo mwabo goika koroberia matanga gose miroberi yoko mwenia akaeniwa emetie nyikianda koyaerire oyue batindegete bunanya gosira agake simi na gotebanga moyare omuroberio oirera naende omuberorio bete ko gotinde kumutienyo kabere gotinde korwa ayunga tiyari nkwariganiretie ase ekeunga chinsaibere chitariki 25 nemo eliane ngoro kwa dipo na sanya asense moje bimanyerero ni gotokubwaterana na Wilson Makori kolinde tiatora enda tuyanyore asenchira yobwenge. Omubere b'omusubati oyomo gotindo kurwa maiga yo gotinde kwemetie nyigwetani kianda yarire chinsemo chia goti nyango ichuni chinsemo chia keroka
Elections Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee is in place and it will remain active until we complete the elections.
Amarigani obochori bwage siasa chinsemo ao imejense ya Kenya ni gaikiranire.
Kana moru usime na alinge na bwate makonda rire ne echo na na mo ibo kuri kurumega abu na mo ereria abantu bande goche ikora muri abo twarenga na barabu baminyuka nere gocha nyegitari nje na tagara tigara ningo na kungangana kuruma abo na abantu bande na banyakenyoro ko
omwanike ngwerere gotori gwa kurwa imejecho maega yo kurutwa na mamomo abo. Gochaka nega korekyo goichania omosubati oyomo oibo igoro monchuria asechiro ya Miruka egotoke ward ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirango egotoka imeye county ya Nyamira lero ni gaiboro mwana munyaruka na maiga yaje komuruta asecho engana yerera abamenyi benseme ywe gosabanya kenyoro kuminyoka na gotoria obogima bwo mwana oywe asebono aminyokiwa gochia ase enyagitari asagendete kurwanerera obogima bwaye abanyagitari nigo bagenderete ko echandera omwana oyu asenyagitari ya Rio Chanda nursing home asebagotebanga niga agenderete buya nande mbali no gosemeria ingana barache kogenderera koba moyo bunatokumanyibwa n'umurikito Fatikad Gisemba.
Abanyanyimbo begetaseni kya Miruka nigo bachakire obutuki maiga yomusubati oyomo aserieta Lucy Adhiambo Juma bwe myaka 33 kuibura omwana na kumutukuta ase nyumba ya Kibara
nabo kamambi abuja ngiriteganga saya munene usuga aya akwa esimi no momenyo yo mu Miruka market ogonte binga pa omusubati gatochiro on the process chida kachinke igekero aruro bacha kuigwa kamwana gakuda kugwe choimi kero bacha koenda banyora na kamwana gakuda kugwe choimi musubati yakuru kwa Lucy Adhiambo Juma igaro momenyi usundu market kero bamubwati ochiro bamonyora na manyingoka kero bamwira nigo chororo bakumukulinga naye kwa mwana cho gaswa kukana so abotebanga nigachugwe konya ngonyora umwana ure ne rujirecho lakini rende yagarokana ngatiri mumayene asinge cyo musubati yona bwata abana bande babere nigale myaka 33 ibono muto monene umanyete nkiyago kora
korengana na bamenya ba Miruka nigo bakwerera buna omusubati Lucy Adhiambo maiga yere kamutugutire omwana oyo omoke ase nyumba ya Kibara nigo agenderera no bonjoreria bwaye buna botambe
ogaiche karange chiro muna bakwirigerie nse yakongire ukaransa karansa na babangi na bande barora mchando nora omwana munaguse omwana ikonyotara buturu nonororera abantu batebanga ya minyoki umwana uyu nyagetari abuturururira egera umwana uyu arorekane ko bumwana no ni irara moditara omogoyo tara mwali o ese chiraiga umwana ekera umungino ndaenda ko egwe konya na lianyora umwana akorere choyi abantu bamenyoka kuira na barora umungino uyu twakonya nga yagenda gukimanyora tayari naenda hare tebintako akoni igo twa 14 nonye no monto ogongirike gimere ndia twara chinguru bamintako ni ebintu
umukya bw'abanyakenyoro bwoko murusia enyumba eyo ya Kibara umwana oyo omoke nigo utanganwa no musae Wycliffe Achoki oyo oreta amatunda ase batoria obugima bwaye
toikoro twachigosaba makombe bantu nende impact yo bagakamba toletera makombe twachaka gukunya rende actually naso aime now koda rescue omwana mere moneme komu yarenge because icho yarenge permanent house generate idea yogotagura icho kurikere naso aime no mumura nende no montomoremu na rescue omwana ekana na moru usime na alinge na bwate makonda rire ne icho na mo ibo kuri kurumega abu na mo ereria abantu bande goche ikora muri abo twarenga na barabu baminyuka nere gocha nyegitari nje na tagara tigara ningo na kungangana kuruma abo n'abantu bande n'abanyakenyoro ko ntusikuru
kubwatikana naya nigo boteneneri bwenyagitari ya Rio Chanda nigo batoenekerie buna omwana oyo nigo agenderete asenchira endonge.
So mtoto aliletwa asubuhi, kulikuwa na daktari wa usiku ndiye alimreceive. Mimi nilipata kama ndiye amefika, after nimesikia scandal ilibidi niharakishe nipate huyo mtoto. Kufika mtoto alikuwa na maggots all over, so tuling'ang'ana tukampanguza. Community kanunua nguo, wamama walimletea nguo, tukamvalisha, mtoto ako stable.
Chingaki echecho nigo abamenyabo bagikeria egekorwa eke na kubwatuka obosemya bwabo uchase abasubati bari abagutwara ekerengererio kyo weita abana
kana aligere mwana kuri disha namurora amagoko rende bunakonya guchesa namanya kwiburi merane twatemere kurikia abandi abana ningi kyagera gukoraiga atari konga munanse ngwatu mwana oyo mugati atari konga ngende ndende omwana nabona rita natega kimutari konga bagaka bari go bateba ya mtukunya rikisi kira saba sikari kangu mungina ntogo kon hakini okorire bubase aseke ne Kenya sawa okorire bono nje ngitani
nari kwanja gotebya basubati no nyobo kongu bwabeire onye kwabeire morito tiga kurusio mwana na kumurute cho gose komuita abantu mbarisika bange sana batagita abana rusio omwana oimokonye monyole buya totebi bune serikali korwa tobime serikali totagiti omwana oyo tumuira asara nyare konyoro borendio buya
Hingo ripota Getembe koraiga se chiro ya Miruka eyegotoka emeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira Njefati Gisemba
Engana yo goichania kegima abande nkurigia bare n'abande nigo bagenderete gutuguta kutigana najwe amariganio bosio bwobochori oboke ase wodi ya Nyamaiya na boigo wodi area yekerenyo ishigotoka ase county ya Nyamira niga mariganio yo aikiranire ase nchira engiya ase bona bakichikura bakageire gose baburigwe kogenda nebibande gose passport bune nchira yamo yokoba omwakie kura oyoganeire ase chinsemecho chiskuru ao nigo chiero beire asoko bebutio byo wakachikura na boigo ase ebituo birachigotangasa ababui ase chikura wodi area yekerenyo omurobire yugani gora chigoikirana ase eskuru yoboroso ya Ikonge na boigo ase wodi area ya Nyamaiya nigera chigoikirana ase eskuru ye secondary ya Nyamaiya asebono abantu baboliwe kweroberia na boigo sector yoborendi nigo batebirenga nigo barachikoene kyango borendi bwabeire boisaine chinsemecho asokororobya obwaki chikura buna tokumanywa no murike to fatigada Gisemba
Wodi ya Nyamaiya eyuere na barwaniriri kianda abo barajewa kerwa chikura egati yabo Chris Osiemo korwa UPA Martin Kibore bwa ODM Thomas Nyandieka OUDA Richard Monyanja OCCK na boigo Evans Nyambati ODNA negati ya baraibande ase wodi eyeiga ya Nyamaiya nigo ebituo emerongo etatu biraje gutumika asobojorio boiga oboke ase wodi eyo erena abantu chiribu ikomi na isano nemo chimia inye na merongo etatu noyomo Catherine Chepkirui no Moritani ngobisa kwikiombe kiriage tenenete obochori na boigo chimbebe kya IPC otenenete ebunge ya West Mugirango kago kwanira igoro yenjira byariganirie asobochori oboiga
I'm Chepkirui Catherine, the returning officer for West Mugirango constituency. I am conducting the by-election for Nyamaiya Ward. Since yesterday, we were busy packaging the materials, the election materials in readiness for tomorrow's poll. And we already distributed to each polling of the 30 polling stations that are in the ward. All the POs have checked their materials to ensure that they have all that they need for the elections. So we are set for tomorrow's by-election, and we are very hopeful and very confident that all will go well.
Kubatikana no bochori oboiga oboke nigo kurase wodi ya Ekerenyo eywe bwate abarwanireri ikomi egati yabo Francis Amenya OUDA Jeremia Ongaro OUPA Dominic Gesora ODCP Shem Nyanumba Owaipa egati yabaraibande ase wodi eyeiga nigo ebituo emerongo ebere na kianda birache gotumeka chinga kichiwa kachikura echo abwase omobaro bwaba kichikura ore chiribu ikomi na enye chimia ibere na merongo itano nebere na batatu. Oyoiga no returning officer o North Mugirango aserieta Ruto Wesley kagokwanira enjira bariganirie obochori oboiga bona IEBC.
My name is Ruto Wesley. I'm the returning officer for Ekerenyo County Assembly Ward by-elections. I wish to confirm that for purposes of conducting the elections tomorrow, all preparations are ready. As a ward, we have 29 polling stations with a registered voter population of about 14,000 voters. And our request and what we would urge the public, especially the registered voters, is to turn up in large numbers tomorrow so that they can be able to elect a leader of their choice. But as a commission, what I would want to stress is that we respect the voice of the people. We are going to declare results based on the outcome of that election because of the decision that will have been made by the voters.
Kukwanira igoro yoborendi imeye wodi ya Nyamaya nigo mokonyi bwo county commissioner Onyamira South Florence Obunga nere abaenekerie abakichikura banyamaya buna nigo oborendi bubekire boisaine ase bituo byonsi emerongo 3 kera ekemo kera chikurendwa n'abanyanyimbo babere.
My name is Florence Obunga. I'm the Deputy County Commissioner, Nyamira South. I want to say that as the Sub-County Security Committee, we are set for the Nyamaiya by-elections on the 27th of November 2025. I want to inform Nyamaiya ward residents that we have already deployed adequate security to cover the elections. In terms of deployment, every polling station has been given to security officers. We have also been able to secure the tallying center where we will converge for purposes of the final declaration of votes.
Kingo reporter Gatembe kurwaiga ikonke yegotoka ime ye bunge ya North Mugirango County ya Nyamira Nchefatigad Gisemba.
Chingaki ebiro ebike bitigarete aho bochori wo MCA guseji by election ase county ya Nyamira chinyarego Chingaki ebiro ebike bitigarete aso bochori oboke koeneki wachinsemo a oimeyense ya Kenya anene ase county ya Nyamira kogenda ase county ya Nyamira ewodi ya Nyansiongo nigamali ganyoboigo aikirana gusangano mo teneneli gose omo returning officer wekiombe kyobochori bwa IEBC Kenneth Okung nigatebirenga nigobero beire boikiranu na boigo nigobara chikoene kyango bochori obo bwakorekire ase chinchera chingiya buraburu chitayo chinga kibona bakichikura baboligwe kuralia omorembe.
We have not had incidences of violence even throughout the campaigns, not at all, not anyone reported. But let me assure the members of the public, particularly residents of Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward, that the IEBC, through the returning officer, who is myself, and other election officials that are together with us, we are committed to ensure that we deliver credible, transparent, and impartial elections. For Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward, will be able to timely announce and issue and declare the winner. We expect that to happen as soon as polling closes and as soon as the election officials are able to conclude the process at the polling station. For the past 1 week or so, we have never had adverse weather conditions at this place that might hinder the process. Even though weather is a matter of nature, it can change any time. But we have had contingency measures, including tents, including the vehicles that will safely ferry the materials to the polling stations and back. We have tents that will be able to act as a will help in case of rains at the tallying center. We have also done just mapping yesterday, and we have confirmed the conditions of the road. They are passable, and even in case of rain, the vehicles will be able to deliver the election materials to the polling stations and the officials, and be back at the tallying center safely.
Omobere w'omusubati oyomo oyukageire gosira na goika gotinde kwa nigo rituko ria rero oba kugotindokorwa aya maega ye amate yaye gotebanga nyagosiro yibatindegete ni gabete kagwa kesimi na gotebanga moyare ayega ni gakorekana chinsemo chia gotinyango keroka imeye county ya Kisii asebone ngani yue ya ichania bange mobiro yunigo ba kugotindokorwa na kwira ni wananda senkendu elire ndabanyene banyale kumumanya banyale kubekemero nande yogochi komwenia elia kabere ingane yega nigo yaba yogo ichania asabange unatokomanywa no mulikito Samu Miyenda.
Nigo kere igekore gitari gia kawaida magega y'umubiri w'umusubati yomo imeya Gotinyango imeye wodi ya Ichuni ebunge ya Nyaribare Masaba nigo otinde kurwa ritukoria rero nigo mwana Sara aborete kurende igatabakana gosiririo bugima bwaye magega yabayiburi baye gokoromokia bwo kumurigi
tukara muri kuru mutenyu 11 tukamuriye kare twamuriye egachege kenga muri mutenyu 11 January tugacha tugatiga bono tugatega kiseikire bono ganarigire narosire
nigo yatebekanete arenge gati yabari basirite bugima bwabo gwetera sumo basukana bwebara ase ebare nene ya metamayo ago chibosongo
tukaba tugakirange mitenye bere tugacha tukaigu mwana ngutanga swalo tugatega no mwana naro nyore taxtendi asa kuru kumutamayo bono umwana uyu natubulite tugatega ugo yokori umwana oyo ore nyaruka mwana nari bwage twigari extend mutamayo tukamagotebigwa ya mwana nari obulite asegete igwa umwana uyu nyore extend
ase emirobiri ya matanga yakorekanete no mubere gutinde kwa kurende nigo otarenge oyo Sara
tukaenda rinde mbaka keroka kera toikororo nabo twarigerete tende kanyoro kodire mitinye bere pono rende umwana uyirende kera twarigerende
esimi yarwete kurwa ase omwana Sara nigo yirete abayiburi baye guchaka kuriya enchira yo gutindo koro mubere uyu tindigetwe uyu kagire koba oyo Sara guchakigwa bunenchira ya moyo kumuira nyanka
mbatwaletire umwana bandekero bana bacho wakwesimi tukabuganere lakini tukaleta umwana ubande muiseka bono yeikeire umwana uyu abeire karanyorekanite agachaga kesimi wika agakwana kera kwana nabo umwana uyirenda kwanete mama esimi yekere yacha nabo na ondogete sana ingabura gakirende nainde uyu wake esimi ningo arona aratamite kabulero ono haya na machini ngakiesimi yacha nganyegacha lakini rende kana umwana uyu atogete nabona imgete kuruga gano pielingana mpaka police ali sina chakirete nabona achete ngaira ni opieli ngateba nanyolira umwana uligana iga uyu no yone lakini rende bagante
nigo yabo mugoko manene ritukoria rero ase umubero uyu unyarako bago gotindo kurwa na kurwa libaga guchia ase umwana Sara kwira nanka magega yekigusigo korekana ase ritukoria rero
asa onse ikire twa sumbukira mono paka aikire ngaki abali bateme tokonya gucha abuto tembia mono sonya kwali gasnya sanya kwasini ya komento moyo mwana na tete ko kampak ya amaiga na muita wana mwao
bono nche ndete kwire ni nyesa ngambia mono se amaya tokoreire kurwa mwana Sara togete tokairanga ni gasiresi nande tokanyora bya kongire lakini rende ndogendere tokona gusabira linganeri twalisabeire nabonde tekoira libageri kwake ngambia mono asabairi abasani family members onye wadagonye dasa amasabo ni na school
kolende gaki nabo njengo saba maye mwana mbiyale gaki mwangonyete gaki nabantu baita nabo nkoiranirwe nambiya mono
biya mono bali mwacha gotokonya musigo oyo according neke gusiye ito bali abagusi wiko musigo oyo rokorusigoga omwaro lia manya okoreki amagocha baina asa family mbabange to mwana oli buna togokorega ngochari
esegeto nigo yarurugochia ase bali bakunyomana anene mono aseke bali geke banyara ko bagoteba ase banyomira gochi liyo kwenekia oborende bwabo
boys and girls bali mora once ko iro mwana bwo mondo tiga ko mugachenga kie mondo tari gokoreki tari ko gachugekereke wangu keri anya ko iro mwana bwo mondo kabenere 1 to 2 months reporting ano gwato mwana bwo mondo na ade mo freedom yo wake simyatenga ki na nyore to mugaka ose na nyore to mongina no nkorete ki no nde tumanya moya because anye mani linya korete biashara ebintu arokora bintebi igo once mwana achirbo na buno mongina buno mugaka report mwana na ribugo utamaite okurukuga na ega na ade moko bachinjia malieta because my sister Zara achita gachinjigwe lieta ali na era accept aganjira na kungainereri kagera tamanya kana karare gotangazo onde yoro kumanyate mwana ni ara because ali tebeteli lingao igo
kuripotire getase ni kya getembe Nsam Miyenda
Umunyakirogo ase kiombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC Erastus Endung Ethekon ni gobono aborire abamenyi gosaba kichikura anena selitukuri na liganyire tukuri ankyo kubeka omorembe chingaki obochori borachi gokoreka ayegani gakwana ase ebunge ya Kasipul chingaki atarera korigereria emiroberio yo amariganio yobochori obonene boraberi tuko lia ankyo.
Because our constitution decrees that elections must be free from harassment, violence, intimidation, and of course malpractices such as bribery. And so when we received reports from Kasipul that there have been instances of chaos and violence, we did constitute the Election Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee, and that committee summoned all the concerned candidates to appear before that committee, and that committee completed that process successfully. As you are aware, the commission did fine those candidates 1 million each, which they did pay. Failure to which that could have led to their disqualification. So I'm glad the two candidates cooperated. They paid their fine on time. They also signed a political decency and peace and peaceful elections charter, and we believe as of now they are still abiding by that pledge, and of course by the code of conduct. So we believe that learning from that, the remaining few hours will be very important for us to continue maintaining that peace and to allow us to complete the final preparations, so that then tomorrow we have the first voters arrive at the polling stations when we open as early as possible, the usual time. And we expect the polling process to continue peacefully until evening when we close the polling exercise. And then we move to the next phase, which is to count the votes and to give the people of Kasipul the results that they deserve. Because it's the people of Kasipul who will elect their leaders. It is not IBC that is in the ballot. Our role is very clear in law. Our role is to facilitate the people of Kasipul, and indeed the people of Baringo, Malava, Magarini, Banisa, and all the wards, to be able to exercise their sovereign will to elect their leaders, the leaders of their choices, free from any coercion, intimidation, or violence. So there should be that free will.
Chinga kechio boigo omochori yomonene bwe kiumbike IBC ni gatebangari chikondi chigokore miremo ase kerokende baria baragende mamincha gusekogosereria obwene asobochori gusubwa ki chikurari tukoria ankyo chinga kiboigo aruo kuboria gochia sabana siasa gotiga kongaina aba kichikura nechibesa anene asoko egemea enseme yemo buna etaganiri nelichiko.
The Commission still has the mechanisms to take action against any reported electoral malpractice. The Elections Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee is in place, and it will remain active until we complete the elections and until the candidates who win successfully are sworn in. So that committee will remain active, and the mechanism within which you can approach that committee is when you have a complaint, don't complain on social media. Don't complain in other media. Don't lament in your house and expect IBC to take action when we have not received a formal complaint, which will be filed with IBC and addressed to either the chair or the CEO, and we will direct those complaints immediately and quickly to the secretariat of the committee that is enforcing the Election Code of Conduct. And that committee will sit and address those issues as soon as possible and render their verdict. You saw the way they handled the complaints that were filed formally from here, Kasipul. Those complaints were dealt with within 2 days, and a verdict was rendered. So we encourage those ones who have any concerns. You must have tangible evidence. You must give us all the necessary information so that then that committee can be able to summon those candidates. It doesn't matter what time is left, as long as there are malpractices that will come to our attention in the way of a formal complaint or petition. We will deal with them. The law stipulates that bribery is an election offense. Intimidation, harassment. So those election offenses are dealt with by the law. And these political actors know. They know they shouldn't be doing that. And if they are doing, all we need to do is let us have those cases reported with evidence, so that then, as I've said earlier, the Electoral Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee will examine the evidence, and on the basis of that will make it.
Umwanchwa omurigereria tiga tugenda so mutimo komokeigo tosuka ngwire na tore maega yegeka getarie getambe.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6, tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Omugusi Wakono Uhuru Superstores na indi yakoretire Black Friday. Black Friday next tariki ya 25 cy'umutinyo wa 11 ninjowe kumbulire ibintu samaguri yayo akire omoroka buna bono ebintu by'ubwagaci buna amabati emisumari chisimiti chichuma nechirangi egati ibintu binde binge oigo ninjowe kumbulire chindangira buna bono amasira mandasi aliyo kuruga emechere chisukari amabuta y'icinyini egati amamunyoranda mange ayuri kumbura sejuri ya mubuko bitobego byo gutumika asenga munabono chisabune chitishio chipampas negative ndebike byo gutumika asenga aseriguri ya mubuko ni njubu kumbura ya onsiye asituka cha Uhuru Superstores imeyobo cy'ubusongo litukone yuma yetariki ya 2023 yane Black Friday tebyo musani twenyorere amamunyire ya Christmas genkyo ime ya Uhuru Superstores.
Kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo bona orokirie omusasoko nogo semelia kwaye asaba otebanga abarwaniriria bensemo eria yokwamiria eserikali nigo barorekanire ko bani chinguru asabona bari nogo semelianga anene mbachiko bababui anene asobo cholio boiga boritukulia ankyo.
Sisi tunatarajia ushindi kwa mlengo wetu wa one term. Mlengo wetu wa ukombozi Kenya. Hii ni wakati wa kukomboa nchi yetu kutokana na uongozi mbaya wa serikali ya Bwana William Ruto. Kwa wanaelewa sana. Nimepata hadithi moja ya ajabu hapa. Kina mama wa eneo bunge la Magarini walichanga pesa kidogo wao wenyewe, zile ambao wengine wanakuja kuwaonga nazo. Wakachukua hizo pesa wakampelekea candidate, mtoto hii unahitaji. Hiyo spirit ya ukombozi. Spirit ya ukombozi. Kwa hivyo hatutarajii wizi hapa mara ya pili. Wakenya hawatarajii wizi mara ya pili Magarini. Na nitarudia, Wakenya hawatarajii wizi mara ya pili hapa Magarini. Ama mahala popote pale. Kwa hivyo jukumu lililo kubwa sana ni IEBC, tume mpya hii. Tume mpya ambayo zote tuelewa vile iliwekwa mamlakani. Sasa the lowest rated public institution kwa upande wa wananchi kutoamini ni tume ya IEBC. Kwa hivyo mna jukumu kubwa sana nyinyi, chairman na wenzako. Jukumu kubwa, msipofanya this one correctly, hakuna atawaamini kwamba mnaweza kujumuika na Wakenya in 2027. Kwa hivyo hapa, the bar has been set very high for you. You either make it and get it correct, ama nyinyi nyote tutasema murudi mwende nyumbani. Wakenya watakataa mambo yenu. Wakikataa mambo yenu, Wakenya wamekataa. Kwa hivyo, this is what the message you wanted to make today. Mimi nimekuwa hapa tangu jana na wiki jana nilikuwa hapa. Viongozi wengine najua hapa kumezukwa wamezuru watu wa Magarini, mmepata watu wamewazuru, wamekuja kuzuru nchi yenu. Wengi mawaziri kinyume na matarajio na express provision ya katiba kwamba wewe ukiwa public officer upasi kuingilia mambo ya campaign. Hapa ni wazi, wengine wanakuja wanatoa matusi juu yetu sisi because we are telling the country the truth. Na ukombozi pia unakuja.
Oboteneneri wabana boda boda kurwa ase municipality ya Kisii litukoria rero nigo bakwanira igoro yobochori oboya borachikokoreka omweri bw'omwaka oyoiga aya maega ya abari babere a service gosasobokoreri egega kemyaka 3 yarire umurubiri yoga nigo baba bakoragwa no munyakirogo otenenete amangana yobochori asireda James Oro oyubono tebanga nigo beariganitio buya asogochigokora obochori asinchira yobwasioku naboigo ondatari kunurirwa aboigo kubike mirobirio anena se sector yobosombi.
Kwa ufanyika tarehe 17 mwezi wa 10 2024.
lakini haukufanyika kwa sababu ya vizuizi ambavyo vilionekana wakati huo, na tukarudi kwa meza tena tukaanza kuandaa, na ndio sasa wakati huo umewadia wa kuenda kuwapea wanabodaboda nafasi waweze kupiga kura, wachague viongozi wao. So uchaguzi unaoenda kufanyika ni uchaguzi ambao ungefanyika tarehe 17 mwezi wa 10 2024, ukasongeshwa kwa sababu ya vizuizi unafanyika tarehe 30 mwezi wa 12 2025. Na ningependa pia kuchukua nafasi hii siku ya leo kushukuru His Excellency the Governor Kisii County Honorable Paul Simba Arati, sababu tulikuwa kwa ofisi ya Municipality Manager ambaye ni kiongozi wake, na tuliongea, tulifanya boardroom na viongozi, tukaelewana, wakaona mahitaji ya bodaboda kuwa na viongozi ili tuweze kuwa na wale ambao watashirikiana nao katika kazi ya biashara katika mji wa Kisii.
Bodaboda ye tuweyariganiri sana onde bwensi ogochanga nkobori ari chikura goikatu are certificate ya form 4 egekogera twanyorire ng'abantu bande ko bare kwa guburai kurumaega bataigeti form 4 gusata bwati certificate okora oburai muno oburai ori bwa nyomba mwaye gusokora oburai buna amanyete igoro yo mutuoye oburai bwa bodaboda goikari itang'ani otegerere amagani ya bodaboda otumie elimu elio osomete na elimu elinya sakoete goiko monterikie egere tonyore bari baguchikoborie birogo naende nkomentera iga abana bodaboda baminto mosoka asobonge naende monyare koba mogo campaign mono mobori chikura moe guchikura naende mujikura abarai abana bodaboda buya.
Security ikurada iko chonjo kusaidia yeyote yule labda ambaye maybe anaweza kuchitokeleza kuintimidate. Chairmen wote make sure you work behind with our IBC board ambayo inasimamia hii exercise. All the secretaries, leaderships za stages, make sure you cooperate kwa sababu hii exercise itafanyika tarehe 30 mwezi wa 12 huu mwaka. So tunaanza mwaka mukiwa na viongozi wenu.
Abasae nigo basemiwe kwebwata buya nabo igokoba ne chimbwa chingiya abo igokoboligwa gutiga gutume kwa bobe n'abana siasa mono asokoleta chibura burwa asemesangirekano ane mangana bereka korekana asamatuko amaega gokwana ase omugaso orero chingaki chege ikaro chiokorigereria gose koinyora egekoro ase emeyega yakorekana lituko lya lero abagaka korwa Gusi Elders Council bakoragwa na James Matundura nigo batebire ng'abuna chinkwana chiagi siasa ntibasakoreto gwetana anene asabasae abo bagutume ko bobe guturbania emesangererekano.
Amasikani abolire asori okwete amasikani abolire ase abakwereire amona abamate babo n'abasani babo ekiagera mono abantu bakokora emerobiri yege siasa gabakogenda bareta abantu ase amasisiare ngabaje kuogerera abande baje korama abande na gokora ayata gwenereti ase ebirero biria onye ko bwate okorengereria okuya ngakiura achaye oliosirete gosenga kikwa morengereti ngambu yasirete egaro jo gokorere siasa ya ororo egaro jo gokwanera mang'ana ororo na kogo yakwana turiko yakwana senjira ye engiya ya mochoko gose ya masikani wana cheche ya beire buna bono chinsemo chia marani chinsemo chia o machoge ebisa bune bibiarore kanirororo na nigo bigotogechi sana na ntori gigotimoka otoragendera gokwana na toragendera gotebia baminto nga eyetelibia tiga masikani yabe nyore mbarabu bali bagokora engencheri mbakweri tukelimo mbakogani bakorerwe enjereri bakorera abantu bande bagokora esagasaga bakokora ogotuomania abantu na gochaya no korama gwetera ase omonta akure
gochibosia nto bwate siasa ase ense yaito ni maete ngabona abantu mbarengereti koboria biro ao ebiro ge bakoboria ase bagokemba ngabagende gukwana mang'ana abo igoro yo kobori chikura na samatanga ntotagetibo intwe muna bagaka gotwatebire iga oriosira aigwa maskani na endonye okoenigwa ne kanisa tige kanisa ire libagari nene kobwa chinkwana
Aseli tukolia kabere liogo chengera amatukari 15 nelimo asenchira ya muyokurwania chisegi chiegenka ni gobona abantu bagendete konyora obosemia na kuburi wakomenya no murembe anene asogo sonsorana ase chinka gati yo musacha gose gati yabasacha mona basubati engana yabere yakorekana enyinge gose bikora ebinge imeye county ya Kisii gukona chinga kicho boigo nigo abantu baburiwe kugayana kero kende kero muchando tokire asenchira yo bororo elio koreta omurembe na gukinie gesaku kyomugusi
engena ngeni ya mambia omongino moremu nando omongino mongaini esimba inkungwe karetari korwanira abana bae ba Kisii County goetera oborai wengencho and early marriages, teenage pregnancy and teenage marriage totagete tokonya baiseke baito babe empowered babe bogosoma bia bakore skuru after gokore university ndio mtoto anaweza kuolewa, si ni ukweli? Kitu kingine tunataka tusaidie hata wazee wetu waweze kuwa na biashara, waweze kujikimu, vijana wetu waweze kuinua talanta zao, watumie talanta zao kutengeneza pesa. Kama kijana anacheza mpira vile wale wanacheza, tumsaidie hiyo mpira imsaidie aweze kupata pesa. Si itakuwa mzuri? Erebiego sere bobe. Intuna bagusiti katoto arobo anchani na ande toto aromorembe. Nasema stop gender based violence. Abagaka gaki motige goita abanyina. Nande abanyina motige korama abagaka baino. Tari go gaki. Kasimama nyuma ya kijana yetu Matiang'i mtoto wetu. Tumesema sisi kama Wakisii lazima tushike kijana wetu mkono ili na sisi tukue na nguvu na bargaining power kule mbele. Si ni ukweli? Ndio.
Abuno toko hakiro musumali ekionga chinsa ibere kurinde ngana na betigarete ko begetenda wiri maiga yo musubati gukagirwa gusira koeniwa matangaye kubangwa chibesa guchangwa nekenyoro erongori korwewa goiko gotindekwa libori neri ine abairi bonsi e family abantu abaiga baroberetia amatanga onde tayo ore komanyanga nyagosiro ore se sanduki me tari omwana obo neliborio asense moye bimanyiriro nigo twarenge na Wilson Makori eliana nigo ngoro kwa dipo na asanya gendra kusanga 9 negata seni kya gatembe asemiro bilio yonsi tosuka tonyegera tomirane chinsenye asamange
Bagaka ninjo ninjo gatembe ninjo dorome ninjo mangana man ninjo bangina ninjo
anu mugusiate bana ki nyabarati ya baba ekinde kikwana naye bwane nyabarati ya baba ekinde kikwana naye ene nkwana go tuoro kingatika tubweka nabantu bande onye nyabarati onye ekinde kikwana naye ana ke onye abande bagokora iganaye naye tema kora keriki buno chinguru cyawo chikobegete nyabarati ya baba ekinde kikwana kunaye bwane kwali buno yera gitamo no nguchize no abana abanyaruka nabira are uchise mu kyonse ngabweka na bweka kora buna chimba chinde chikokora Tio kora yebi abantu bagubintu montoria ari akare gukora na yaki ngi yarusi engenche nyabarati ababa ekinde kikwana naye bwane
Bagaka ninjo ninjo gatembe ninjo
Can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate and swimming to enhance mental skills, discipline and swimming ability, safe and reliable school transport for all learners, affordable school fees, spacious and modern classrooms, highly trained, competent and dedicated teachers, a conducive learning environment, adequate teaching and learning materials for every class. Interviews and January admissions are ongoing. Enroll your child in a school that cares about their growth, confidence and future. Find us in Kisii Town, Jogoo area along the Kisii-Nyamira Highway opposite the Kenya Power Substation. For more information, call 071-524-5923 or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Omugusi Mwakono Uhuru Superstores na indi yakoretire Black Friday. Black Friday next tariki ya 25 cy'umutinyo wa 11 ninjobwe kumbulire ibintu asama buri yayakire omoroka bunabono ebintu by'ubwagaci buna amabati emisumari kisimiti kicuma nekirangi egatinto bindebinge oigo ninjobwe kumbulire kindangira bunabono amasiya mandasi aliyo kuruga emechere kisukari amabuta y'icinyini egatema munyuranda mange ayuri kumburira sedigurira mu buko bintobe byo gutumika asenga bunabono kisabune kitishio chipampas egativa indebinge byo gutumika asenga asedigurira mu buko ni njubwe kumburira ya onsi asituka cya Uhuru Superstores imeyobo cy'ubusongo litukone yuma yekitariki ya 25 yane Black Friday tebyo musani twenyorere amamunyire ye Christmas gengyo ime ya Uhuru Superstores.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports,